Hi, everybody. Lance from thetatraders.com here. Just want to do a quick update video on a 112 trade that I just closed today. Actually, on Sunday, June 25th, 2023. Actually, opened the trade exactly a month ago today, on May 25th. To show why I closed it and what the profits are and how I managed a 112 trade. Let's get right to the numbers. All right, so here's the Discord server that has all different types of option trades that I post at datatraders.com for yearly and lifetime members able to receive these 112 trades. So if you look on May 25th, 2023, the new 112 trade, MES, we sold two of the 3450 puts. It's around a zero point zero 0.07 delta at the time, and it took in 20.25 in premium. Also bought the PDF put debit spread, not PDF, PDS. And it was an 8.5 debit. Bought the 3950 put and sold the 3900 put. So if you look at the total credit on this, it was 20.25 times two contracts, so 8.5 on the credit side. We'll subtract 8.5 on the debit side, and we're getting a net credit when we start the trade at 32 in premium. This is with MES. MES has a 5 multiplier, times it by 5, and we're taking in $160 in net premium when we start to trade out. Now, if you look all the way in the last post that I made, close the naked put. That's line 3 in the spreadsheet that members received. See all the trades updated. And 167.5 profit on just the debit. The naked puts. So 2025 is what we sold it for. Bought it back, both contracts for 3.5. So if you do 20.25 minus the 3.5 that we bought it back for, 16.75 in net premium collected and out of the trade for the naked puts. Times that by two contracts, the 33.5, times it by the 5 multiplier for MES, and a $167.5 net credit and profit for the naked puts. Now, I did leave on the put debit spread, and I wrote a post here. So over here, I said the last 112 naked put closed. The buying power plus cash is about $1,000 to start the trade. It's about $500-$600, and then I leave a few hundred in cash, but I don't trade with it. When it took in 167.5 profit, getting rid of the naked puts, still have the 3950, 3900 PDS, put debit spread on. Bought that for 8.5 though. If that does expire worthless, our net profit was 162.5. The PDS cost me 42.5. Subtract those and you get a $120 return. That is about a 12% return from the buying power plus the cash that I left on the sidelines. And the trade was exactly a month ago that I closed today. Still have a hedge on in the trade. So if it happens to go below the 3,900 strike price in 54 days from now, this would be worth a lot more money. It could be up to a 50 premium because that's the difference in the 3,950 minus 3,900. So it could be an extra $250 net profit from the 162.5 if the PDS happens to be profitable. But if it doesn't end up being profitable and expires worthless, still made $120. This is that 12% return in a month. And I'm out of the risk on the trade because we don't have any more naked puts anymore. So that means that the only thing that's possible is the PDS, the debit spread expires worthless or might make some money. If it gets really close to 39.50 and it has some value left with about 3 to 5 days before expiration, I'll probably just end up closing it to get a little bit extra profit at that point. I'm not expecting that to happen right now. The delta on the 39.50 is about 0.07. So it's a pretty rare chance it's going to happen, but it is another hedge to help with other trades. So if I add on more naked puts, this put debit spread will just stay on there and then able to get possibly more premium, but also doesn't increase the buying power as quickly than if I just got rid of the trade completely. So all in all, it was a good trade. Made my 12% in a month. Definitely can't complain about that. I've been adding on these trades every other week or so. I'm going to go probably further out around 120 days instead of the about 85 days when I made that trade. And then just stagger these on. Have a lot of those put debit spreads as hedges in case we get a big downturn. And as long as you're happy with the profit, whenever you're closing those naked puts, then it's a really valuable trade, a lot of flexibility involved, and could even make possibly more money if it does go down afterwards. So again, Lance from ThetaTraders.com here. If you're interested in seeing these trades, we also do put credit spreads on individual stocks, do 0DTE on SPX. Occasionally doing some iron flies now. We also sell strangles and 112s on different commodities like gold, oil, corn. Feel free, you can join ThetaTraders.com and a free 7-day trial. So everyone else, have a good, happy trading, and I'll see you guys on the trading floor.